all the socials as either The Lopsided Crafter or lopsidedcrafter.com. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and I am The Lopsided Crafter. You can find me on all the socials as either The Lopsided Crafter or Lopsided Crafter. We do have our own website, thelopsidedcrafter.com. So today is a little bit of a different video. I kind of want to give you a life update and things that are coming in the next few weeks for the channel. And maybe to introduce myself to those of you that do not know me. I was born with bilateral hip dysplasia, which caused one leg to be extremely shorter than the other, and it was also dislocated at birth. Hence the name, The Lopsided Crafter. So that's how I came up with the name. I have already had both of my hips replaced, one in my 30s and the other in my 40s. However, now that my hips are stronger, they are making my other joints not as strong. So on April 3rd, I will be having a total knee replacement. So the videos that will be posted for the month of April will be ones that I have been working hard on up until now and within the next few weeks, so that you guys will have a new video uploaded during that time that I am away from my she shed, where I do all my crafting and all my filming. The plans right now are to have stitch tutorials on new stitches on the looms, as well as going over some different types of looms that I actually have in my possession. You can see some of them here in my background. I'm going to try to go over them in different segments, meaning I will show you all of my sock knitting looms, and then I will show you within that parameter if there's something that can be used for sock knitting but is not marketed for sock knitting. I will show it there, but I will also show it where it is actually marketed for. I will also be showing my infinity looms, my Afghan looms, things like that, and I'm not going to necessarily bunch them into one manufacturer. So if I have sock looms or infinity looms or anything like that that are from multiple manufacturers, they're all going to be in that same video so that everybody can take advantage and watch that video instead of having to search the channel for more than one. So that is the plan for the next couple weeks, to get those videos uploaded, get them filmed, edited, and uploaded. And you know, it does take some time, but that is the goal. And the goal is to have 2 videos a week for the month of April, already ready to go when April 3rd runs around. So I am a little bit ahead of the schedule. I do already have 3 videos filmed, edited, and uploaded and scheduled at the beginning of April. So, as I said, this is just a little update of things that are going to be going on here in the future. So if you leave a comment on one of those videos and I do not get back to you right away, please know that it's probably because I'm still at the stage where my brain is not functioning correctly. And I hope you understand. And until next time, happy looming, guys. Bye.